Good morning. So it's 5 in the morning and hindi kami 4 padumi karon sa Mount Naupa, and then the family decided nga mag Mount Naupa me to have a beautiful life and then a better life, and together with us is very special person, and let's welcome no other than myself, and then let's have Sophia.
Tree house.
Yeah, see, let's welcome the tree house. Tree house. So we're heading to Mount Naupa now, and we're not sure if we're in the right direction, but people seem to be directing us at the right direction. Maymay and Mona had been to this place, yet the three of us not yet. Mount Naupa. Ganyan po, Mount Naupa. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. So, diri ang ilhanan, ay yung starting point. And magsugod na miyog hiking. They said this is going to be a 30-40 minute hike going to the peak of Mount Naupa. So, come. Join us. Good morning.
난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 가 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야.
Gani na tabot.
Okay mo nagbalay.
Mao na to. Ara mo kayo ng tubig.
Guys, ingon si Mami si Mona. Kanang balaya. Mura na mo to.
Di ko sure ha, basin layo pa. Di mo muna no. Bas. Mata.
May mong ilong.
한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서
Kana na balay. Hi. What can you say, Ate Pai?
Kapoy.
Kapoy, do you want to do this again?
No.
Hindi next week lang no.
Next year pa man.
Next year.
Oh, next year. Look at me. Oh, what can you say to mom and dad?
Thank you.
How about Rafa?
Rafa tabang. Kapoy lang po.
Oi, oi. Hi everyone, you're about to witness Sophia reaching the peak of Mount Naupa in less than 30 seconds. There, Sophia. Oh my God, she's running. We're taking a video now of Sophia Isabel, 8 years old. Maybe she's the first tourist here. Youngest tourist. Oh my God. You say hi, Cam. Running. Hi, welcome to Mount Naupa. Hi, welcome to Mount Naupa.
Nagmo ka? 모습은 숨기고 살아야지 사람들은 겉모습만 본다나니까 하나둘씩 사람들
So guys, nanata ka rin sa
Mount Naupa.
Yes, that is Mount Naupa. That's our final summit to reach. So, let's go there now. Tara! May tatlong bibi akong nakita. Mataba, mataba, mataba mga bibi.
Kapay?
Saan pa ka ba?
Mm.
Ugma.
Every year lang, ati pa no.
Nung sa iya ano, parang mawa ang fats ba?
Ay, nagwantara siya ang tangas.
Mayo kayo no.
Naputi bata rin.
Pwede nga rap mo agi. Pero, ari mo agi kay
Basta yun.
Masayon. Muna yung view guys.
별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지 It's hurting me But I have
Hi guys, in 30 seconds below, I will reach Mount Naupa. Guys, tabang ini kayo diri.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Yay!
Dakag flag pa eh.
Ikaw yung flag yung dala.
Wala ko gud.
Heren!
Bye, made it!
to pretend No one cares about me I'm so lonely
Apa this girl? Lumay ko ba kasi
Happy New Year everyone. Yeah.
Happy New Year from Mount Naupa! So, nahuman na among trip guys. So, paulit na mi. Kaya pagting init adri sa ibabaw. Pero sa kadlawang tugnaw ko kayo din hi. So, let's trek going back home. Mona, let's Megan, Harvey, and Pai. Pai, look at the camera. How was the hike?
Amazing.
Okay, currently, ang duha gadibati pa na sila sa pag naog. Hi, Pai. I like the view. You do? Yeah. But you're my best view. Yay! Hindi sakit ni mo, Pai?